Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, messy, twisted updo. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. Next, we're going to gather the hair at the crown of the head and just secure this into a clear elastic band. Add some texture powder to the crown of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then we're just going to gently take our finger and thumb and pinch and pull all over that section to create a bit of messy volume. And then just fix this into place with a little bit of hairspray. Now, moving on to the right hand side of the head, take a section from the front to just behind the ear. And we're going to bring this across the back and cover that elastic band and pin it using as many bobby pins as needed. Then take another small slice of head from the bottom right hand side, bring this over to the back of the head just underneath that previous section, and again pin it to the head with a few bobby pins. Add some more of your texture spray and then again just pinch and pull at the hair so it matches the texture on top. Okay, moving on to the opposite side of the head at the front, so the side that has the most hair. We're going to take all the hair from the ear up and we're going to bring this back and just twist it towards the head. Then take a small section from just behind the ear and we're just going to wrap this over the twisted section and keep twisting to incorporate it into that little twist. Then we're going to add another section of the same thickness and we're going to do the same again, so bring it up and over that twisted section and then just keep twisting so it all becomes one. And we're just going to work our way around the back of the head, adding hair as we go until we run out of hair. Keep your twist level with that elastic band that we popped the hair in originally. Once you've added all the hair, we're just going to secure it on that right hand side with a few bobby pins. To keep the twist nice and secure, we're going to push it towards the head and just slip some bobby pins just to keep everything in place. Repeat this along the length of the twist. Take those tail ends and keep twisting them, and then we're going to bring them over to the opposite side, tucking the tail ends under. Find a little gap and just pin it to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more texture spray and then just starting from the bottom, we're just going to pinch and pull at that little twist to give it more volume. Now begin pinching and pulling the rest of that little bun. And lastly, gently pinch and pull the twist at the side of the head. Add a bit more hairspray to help with any flyaways. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.